Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing from Jomashop, and I have thoughts, I have questions, I have concerns, and I'm hoping that you might be able to help me out with that. If you're interested to see what I got, please stick around. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My channel is about treating yourself to a little bit of luxury, whether that be your favorite fragrance, skincare, handbags, got a few of those, jewelry, all sorts of fun stuff. So if you're interested in that, please consider subscribing. I'd really like to have you be part of my little community here. I really appreciate that. Love making friends with all of you. So today, and again, because I consider you friends out there, I bought something from Jomashop, and it's not my first purchase from Jomashop, and until today I didn't really ever have concerns. I mostly bought fragrance from them, so everything I've purchased in the last few years has come what appears to be factory sealed in the right packaging. I've done all of the, research, what have you, matching up. Does it match up to something I've already got from the brand? And didn't have any concerns. It was not worried per se to buy this. It seemed suspiciously cheap. I'd been watching this item for a while on Saks Fifth Avenue, and had gone clearance and it got down to a pretty low amount considering the brand. And then these came up on Jomashop, and I'm like, this is like, it was like too good to be true. But then I'm like, but at the same time, if they're not selling, if they weren't popular, I could see it possibly getting down to that price. So I decided to pull the trigger, even though I had money. I have like a gift card at Saks Fifth Avenue that I could have used towards these. I just decided to take the chance. And anyway, so it arrived, and in general, I mean, the packaging was fine and everything, but it was when I got to opening this part. And I do know that this is eyewear, so just to let you know, it is eyewear, and I know that a lot of these brands partner with like Luxottica or other third-party entities to create their luxury products. So it is very common to see variations of packaging, I would say, but this seemed odd. So these are Fendi sunglasses. I have some Fendi sunglasses that I got from Nordstrom Rack. I always feel really okay buying from Nordstrom Rack. It's usually something that came from the store and it's come discounted. So that's another reason why I'm a little bit concerned about this particular item. So it had at the bottom what looks like Fendi markings, because I have some Fendi items I've bought, and I'm like, that looks like what I would see on a sticker, so that's pretty close. But when I opened it, I got this box, and I mean, it might just be a fluke, but the color, the variation of color on it is not, do I have a Fendi box? I think I have a Fendi box right here. Haha. So I'm just a little worried. There's some like dark orange coloring, and it just may be a fluke, and that's maybe why they got them, because this is probably not deemed quality. But then it's just a box. Wouldn't they have given it a new box if any found the quality was lacking? So anyway, this isn't for the little mini baguette that I have, charm, and it just concerned me to see the coloring. And I might just be overthinking things, because it does have some similar striations on this box, but I know I'm waffling, but that's kind of where I came from with being scared. But let's go into it, and let me tell you the other things that, this was the first thing. It was like, oh, okay. So I got in here and I'm like, okay, no problem. Went in, and I wasn't used to all of this kind of extra. So this said Delio Spa. Don't know what that is. Some barcodes, and then the Fendi paperwork was in here. And then the sunglasses were put in plastic. And then we've got this case. And I'll insert a picture of the case that I have for my other Fendi sunglasses. And I guess if you have Fendi sunglasses, I'm curious to know what kind of case you received with yours. This is plasticky, and it's puffy. It doesn't look like something Fendi would ever do. I just have some concerns. The hardware seems fine, but I've never seen a Fendi bag case like this. This is really strange. And then the authenticity card, I can't speak, did come, but blank, which I swear that the one I got from Nordstrom Rack was filled out, or at least maybe even had stickers on it or something. Something seems off. Anyway, so there's that. Inside the little carrying case is this. I don't know, something seems odd. But let me show you the sunglasses, because this is what I was really excited about. And when I saw them, I thought, oh, this is great. Because again, I wanted them from Saks. These are the Fendi Baguette sunglasses. And the reason why I wanted them was because they have this folding mechanism. Like, they fold into really compact. And I have a pair of sunglasses like this from another brand, and I'm like, oh my god, designer ones like this, these are great for carrying around and just having. I'm just really I'm really worried that they're not authentic. And maybe it's just all the packaging is there because it's coming from the manufacturer, and normally like a sales associate would remove all of that, but the markings all look the same from what I'm seeing online. I don't know why I'm so concerned about it, but I just thought they were really cute. They're unusual, obviously. They're just totally like to look like Fendi sunglasses, and they come in a variety of colors now, but I just really wanted the Tiffany blue ones from that collection, and just was really excited to get them. They have the baguette symbolism right there. So I don't know. So I'm asking the collective out there, if you have these, did they come in this exact same packaging? Is there any cause for concern? Because again, my other Fendi sunglasses, granted they're a few years older, the case is completely different. And when I look online, other Fendi sunglasses, other Fendi sunglasses also have a similar case to the one I had from my other set. So this very strange plastic one just doesn't, I don't know, it doesn't seem right. In the grand scheme of things, I mean, because it was so cheap, I probably shouldn't have skimped, but I also was like, well, if I can get them for $100 less than what they're on Saks, might as well try. So I'm just curious what you think. And do you trust Jomashop for other things besides fragrance? Like I said, so far I've had perfectly good items from them for fragrance, and I think that's what drove me to make this purchase, but I'm just really, really concerned. So thought I'd share I'd like to hear your stories about shopping with Jomashop, if you trust them and if you've ever had any problems. But if you haven't, just let me know. Make me feel a little bit better about this. Otherwise, I'll have to figure out about getting my credit card company or something to file a dispute if they're not authentic. I hope not. I hope that they are exactly what they're supposed to be and everything is good. But, you know, it happens. Thank you so much for watching and helping me out. And if you're watching so far, put a loaf of bread down there, a baguette, to symbolize these baguette sunglasses. So hopefully they are authentic and they'll work out, because I really like to have fun sunglasses to use during the summer. So I think these would be a fun time. So let me know. Thanks. Take care. Bye.